Happy holidays and welcome to USC Upstate. I'm First Lady Frankie Harris.
And I'm Taj McGlymph with Brothers Restoring Urban Hope.
And this year at our holiday celebration, we had our guests to bring toys as an initiative of mine to give toys to the community. And this happens to be one of the wonderful organizations that we're giving back to. And we're so proud that they mentor students in our community, and they would truly be blessed by the gifts of our guests and our donors. And so we thank you. Donors, we thank you for all the work that you do in the community. And everyone, we wish you a happy holiday.
Happy holidays.